When I was growing up, we used one type of liquid oil and two types of solid oil. Liquid oil was vegetable oil, and the solid was Crisco or bacon grease. As you may guess, high cholesterol is a common complaint in my extended family. Now, we have a vast array of choices, and a lot of debate as to which to use for better health as well as good cooking. I now keep several types of oil. In cooking, I use olive, canola, grapeseed, sesame and peanut oils. In herbal preparations I tend to stick to olive oil, but there are other oils that would be just as useful. Here are the benefits and drawbacks of each oil. Canola. There is some controversy as to the safety and health benefits of this oil. It took a lot of research on my part before I decided to use it in my cooking. Its saturated fat content is lower than that of olive oil, which is important. In part because of the low fat content, it may help lower blood pressure. As for the myths, there are many and most, if not all, have been scientifically debunked. The plant it has been associated with is incorrect. This oil comes from the canola plant. The other plant, the name is likely to be offensive, contains a large amount of a toxin. While a small amount is in the canola plant, there's very little. It's well below the FDA limits. Grapeseed. There aren't very many studies on this oil yet, but there are several traditional uses. It's said that it can lower cholesterol and lower blood pressure. In test tubes, it has shown some potential in preventing or killing certain cancer cells. It's full of antioxidants as well. In cooking, it is good in salad dressings and has a high smoke point. Olive. This is my everyday cooking oil and it's also the base for most of my oil extractions. It adds its own healing elements in those remedies, and it is considered to be a healthy fat. It is a monounsaturated fat, and may help lower LDL cholesterol. It may reduce your risk of heart disease and colon cancer. Peanut. There is some debate about the safety of peanut oil is ongoing. Like olive oil, it has monounsaturated fats, and shows some promise for lowering LDL cholesterol. Unfortunately, it does seem to cause plaque to stick to artery walls. If you have problems in this area, use peanut oil with caution. Like grapeseed oil, it has a high smoke point. Sesame. This is an oil where for most of us, a little dab will do you. However, it has mono and polyunsaturated fats, which can lower LDL and raise HDL cholesterol levels. It may also lower blood pressure and help prevent heart disease. It's very good in Asian cooking. For more information about home remedies, you can visit my site. There are blogs and articles about many herbs and the conditions they may help. Subjects include stress, back pain, the flu, gout and cholesterol. You can also download my free report, The Top 10 Herbs. The report discusses the uses, side effects, precautions and interactions of popular herbs. My ebooks, also found on the site, contain information about foods and herbs that can help you deal with the problems life throws our way.